Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. And well, this is my subject today. As a matter of fact, this is my work. I shot it a long time ago. I shot it analog ages. No digital image at all. These are all analog. I shot it on 4x5 films. That was Ektachrome. Yeah, I processed. Well, I didn't process, but well, I shot this cactus. It's not really cactus. I don't know how do you call. Anyways, as a matter of fact, though, I made this image. I shot it this one, and I made another image, this one. I used Adobe Photoshop, use a filter called Find Edges to make some edge line to get this, and also those two images, this layer and this one. To use, I just created another image, which is this. I used Adobe Fresco to make this one. Now, what I'm doing is, I thought about this image. I used this base image and this line image to get this creative another image. I made a different one. But I think, the thing is, I thought about it. I think showing this image though is showing too much, I think. So if I create another new image, then it's gotta be that something more subtract or making simple to make another image. So I'm gonna remake on this image to create another one using this and this line and this base image, because I still like this base image. Takes a long time to get this image. I did sometimes I shoot it, take an exposure to this to get one film. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is though, using the mask to use some of this image and some of this image and also some of this image, not showing all the image like this. So first of all, I'm going to make the mask on this, then invert, then just let it, this one just keep it, where is a layer, this layer, I'm gonna turn this one down just a touch, you see, underneath, and also I'm gonna turn this one to down. Then I'm gonna have some decide which part I'm gonna use on this image. This image, this one. Now invert mask, I'm gonna reveal some with the select brush. That's the key point. What kind of brush you're going to use. That takes a little while to find out what the brush is going to be the effective to a new creative and a selective image. Well, drawing, Blackburn, Marilla, Salamanca, I like this, Camera, damp brush, I kind of like this, yeah, I kind of like this, Melaleuca, that's kind of interesting, I think. It's gonna make some different image to it. Okay, let's try on this. Elements, cloud, that's in Japanese, but you can find in your iPad app too. I decide the brush. Now go for here. I mean not here. I mean this image. I'm gonna make some cloud, and I prefer probably selective here and around here. Let's try it on this. Okay, what the size of the cloud? Maybe this size first. Go with the not black, white to make it reveal. Even the selective part, this cactus, as a matter of fact it's not cactus, but this is the main subject, so it's gotta be the main. And going up to, of course, meteor. That's second reading. Okay, I guess that's about it though. Well, tone this one down more. You won't see the original base image. Then, of course, I'm going to make a mask on this line image because star should be not black, should be white. So I gotta take this one off. Hide this black dot. But I want this dark lines on. So I'm gonna make mask, then invert, then just make it white, which is same cloud brush to reveal this black lines on. I like to have this black lines. I want it to be black, real sharp here, but not everything. Maybe hidden by this cloud image. That's the image of that this. So this part and this part, it's gotta be darkest. That's good. And then that's all for this find edges layer. That's all. That's all I want. Yes. Then now I want to see this from here. I want to show here more. So now I'm gonna move this base image, go over top. Then its opacity is 0 now. But when you go up here, it shows everything, right? So I'm gonna make mask on this base image, which I shot it a long time ago. I make mask and of course invert. Now from here I'm gonna reveal on the same brush, which is cloud, to reveal and show 100% of meteor. That's kind of interesting and exciting. Hey, I see the meteor. More sharper, just like a Star Wars. Not everything. Some Then you see the stars still. Let's reveal on this base image, make it bigger. I like the cactus. I'm hiding here a base image of the cactus, well, main subject, and show that the colorful image from the one I made on Fresco, Adobe Fresco. It's gonna be showing more sharp. The other hand, I'm gonna hide from the real image of this. So use the black now. Hide. Oops, brush. Hide the real, photo image on this. Hide. But otherwise, we can see from that image I made on Adobe Fresco. The subject of the cactus is almost 100% from the Fresco image. The video, this image, come from that real, analog age base image. So combined together like this. Well, this is the third creative image. Yes. Thank you for watching my video, everybody, and I really thought about it. Then I'm not satisfied yet. So I decided to change background color to black. So it's gonna show up some pretty cool. Then background color white to black. Done. So turn this to black, then I'm gonna touch up with these masks. Now, what I'm gonna do is touch up with this mask, first of all. Okay, you see that brush to cloud, elements to cloud. Again, reveal on this mask. Perfect. Use the white to reveal on this mask, right? Okay, from here, some touch more smoothly to outside. You see around here, right? Okay, same time, I'm gonna go this layer mask here. These are same thing, reveal on this, and I reveal on real base image on this, and I reveal this, kind of very easy, but try to make some new image, and I like this color too, some yellow on here, some cyan. Hide on black, cactus base image, but reveal on this Fresco image. Okay, finally done, I think. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate to support me to watching my video. Have a nice day, guys. And see you next time. Ciao.